Creating animations with the help of AI can actually help you to create better videos. How can you do it? See, there's a lot of tools in this market. You can use OpenAI, Sora, and other videos. Now you can go to the renderforest.com/AI animation generator. Here you can see this interface where you can create a lot of AI different kind of presentation videos, and it's used by 50 plus million plus projects and 15 25 other clients. You can use it on your own way. Just click on the describe your video topic, click on create animation AI button. After that, it may ask you for a login, and before that you can just add your idea with AI. You can create your script video idea to let AI. You can click on enhance a script to enhance the script of the video. After that, you can click on next, and your AI video will be generated in few seconds. So this was how you can use AI for making videos animations.